Hey folks, today we're going to take a quick look at this Casio G-Shock watch that we recently acquired in the shop. And in my opinion, this one's kind of understated. At first quick glance, it might seem real simple and basic, but this watch really packs a lot of desirable features into it, and it just looks real clean and simple. So this one has the multi-band 6 feature, so you can set the watch remotely using the atomic clocks, the radio frequencies there, and then it also has the tough solar capability for charging up the battery. And then it's got all the standard other G-Shock features that you've come accustomed to. So let me kind of rotate it around here so you can see what it looks like in different angles here. And you can see the outside is the traditional Casio resin, that they use on their watches. And then it just has the 4 buttons, 2 on either side there. So real simple. And then as far as some measurements go, let me pull out the ruler so you can see here. All right, so you can kind of get some measurements on how wide it is and as well how tall it is. And apologies for the shaking there. Kind of rotate it around going this way. You can see just how clean and simple it is. Definitely understated in my opinion. And then we'll kind of rotate it around to the back side so you can see more what that looks like as well. And then I'll take it off the stand. All right, there we go. So you can see the reading on the back side of the casing, the GW-5000, and then the 3159. Of course, each one's going to have a unique serial number on the back as well. All right, and then it's got your standard band that you're accustomed to seeing on the different G-Shock models there. Plenty of different holes to fit your wrist. It is fairly rigid on the top section of the watch like most G-Shock watches, and so it is going to be pretty flat. If you have a smaller wrist, you might have some gaps there where the band touches down on the sides of your wrist there. And as far as your buttons go, you can see in the top right at the 2 o'clock, you've got your light there. And then over here in the bottom left is going to be your mode button there at the 8 o'clock position. And so I'll just kind of scroll through. You've got your world time there. You've got your alarm and your control for the hourly signal. Then you've got your stopwatch and your timer. And then you hear the chirp kind of chime up to let you know that you're back in the home position there. It's a great watch, and it has a lot of features packed into its more compact form factor. So if you're not really into the larger G-Shock watches, you like something that's a little more compact, or maybe you have a smaller wrist, or maybe you just prefer a smaller, more modest size watch, then this is a great choice, and it does still have all those different features from the multi-band to the tough solar built into it there. So I hope this video was helpful. If you're interested in this particular model, again, this is the Casio G-Shock, and this is the GW-5000. Now, at JBrokers, we are a risk-free secondhand marketplace, and so we buy and sell all kinds of gadgets just like this watch here. If you've got a watch you're looking to sell, definitely check out our website. Most of the watches you're going to click on the Get Personalized Offer button, and then a team member will review the particular model you've got, and they'll send you an email offer, usually the same business day, sometimes the next business day, depending on how busy we are. But definitely check us out. We're a risk-free alternative to eBay or Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. And the 2 things that our customers love most about JBrokers are, number 1, we always pay the agreed upon amount for the agreed upon item. And then second, we always pay our customers on the next business day after receipt. So definitely check us out at jaybrokers.com. That's Jay brokers.com. Thanks for watching.